Hey guys, what's up? It hasn't been a while since I made a YouTube video, so I'm finally back in my bedroom. And today, I was acting so crazy when I saw these trucks today. I was going crazy. And when I say crazy, I mean crazy. So here we go. The first truck I bought today was Megalodon. Yeah, Megalodon, pretty cool truck. Yeah, okay. Here we go. Next truck. The flashback shocker. Yeah. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. And next up, we have another flashback. King Crunch. Yeah. Cool, right? And next up, we have another flashback. The Team Hot Wheels flashback truck. Yeah, cool. And next up, we have Titan. Yeah, I have the black Titan. You guys didn't know that? I have the black Titan. Yeah. I got it with Alien Invasion too. Okay. And last but not least, the truck that I was dying to get. VP Racing Fuels, Mad Scientist. So now that I show you all these trucks, let's open these up. So first up, let's open up Mad Scientist. Oh yeah. Look at him. It's good. Yeah, let's set him over here. And we got a little crushed car. There we go. You've seen Mad Scientist. Now it's time to open up Titan. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Comes with another crushed car. Set over here. Put the trash there. Next up, the Team Hot Wheels. There we go. Oh yeah, look at this bad boy. Look at this. Oh yeah. I already have a lot of trash. Here we go. Next up, we are gonna open up King Crunch. Let's see this. Oh yeah. Look at him. King Crunch. Yeah. Another crushed car. Set the trash over there. Shocker. The flashback shocker. Look at him. Just look at him. Isn't he beautiful? He is so cool. Set over here. Another crushed car. Set all the trash there. Get over there. And then last but not least, Megalodon. The first truck I showed you for today's video. Okay. And here he is. Boy, I've always wanted this truck. And I finally got it. Sit over here. So that is all the trucks I have for today. Mad Scientist, King Crunch, Megalodon, Shocker, Team Hot Wheels, and Titan. And all the crushed cars. So that is my video for today. Please leave the link in the description and see you guys next time. Bye.